Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Spark advertisement of TikTok, the new advertisement TikTok has released to help you reach more people, get more sales and get more followers with your TikTok business account. Or if you are also a influencer or it's a personal account, you are going to get your good result with this strategy. So if you are new, I talk about social media marketing, how to grow business on internet. So watch the video until the end, and without wasting the time, let's jump in the video. So here I'm just opening my account, and as you see, I'm doing some advertisement, and this is the followers I've been getting. You see, these are the real followers I've been getting from this TikTok advertisement. So this is the first video I promoted, and you see it has got like 17.1k, and also others that I have promoted. So I'm going to show you how to do this with your TikTok advertisement. So first of all, you have to go in the settings, then click on the privacy. You have to make sure that this button of ad authorization is on. So click on it and go back, choose any video that you want to promote. For example, like if I choose like this one, you have to click on these three buttons here, and I click on the ad settings. So then you have to click on the agree of the terms and conditions, and then allow the advertisers to promote this video. So after this, you have to click on the generate code, and you have to choose which days that you want to promote with your TikTok video. So for example, like you can choose from 7 days, 30 days, or 60 days, depending on which one you want. So for example, like I'm going to choose like 60 days, then I have to copy the code. So you have to copy this code, and then I will show you where you have to paste it in the ads manager. Alright, so here I'm in the TikTok ads manager, and as you see, this is the advertisement I was creating. So when you want to create a new advertisement, you just have to come here in the asset and click on the creative. So on this step here, you just have to click on the Spark ad post, and on this step you just have to click on the apply for authorization. And here you have to paste in the code that you have copied from the TikTok video ad authorization. So after, you have to click on the search here, and it will search for the video, and this is the video you are going to promote. Then after, you have to confirm, and then the video will be authorized, and then it may be used for the advertisement in the TikTok ads manager. So after, you have to go on the campaign here. Alright, so on this step here, you just have to click on the create campaign, new campaign, and on this step here, you can choose any objective that you want to use, if it is conversion, app installs, or traffic. So for me, I'm going to choose the traffic. Then scroll down here, you just have to rename your campaign, and then for me, I like to set the limit budget for at least $50. You have to set the ad limit for at least $50, or you can set the lifetime budget. So for me, I'm going to set the 50, and then click the continue. So in this step here, you just have to first rename your ad group here, and then scroll down. You can also use TikTok Pixel. I've set it up before, and then scroll down here for the placement. I recommend you to remove these others and remain with TikTok. You can also remove the video download if you want, or the user comment, and then scroll down for the audience. You just have to choose which audience that you want to use. If you have a Pixel audience, you can choose it here also. Then for the demographic and location, I'm going to remain with this one. For the age, I'm going to choose all these, and also you can set your interest that you want. For example, like you can add any interest that you think you can target with people's, and then scroll down. So here for the daily budget, I would like to set the daily budget as 28 per day. Then also you can schedule a time here if you want. So I want the advertisement to run continuously. So for the bidding and optimization, I would like to choose to set the 0.50 cent per every click. No, this is 0.50 for every click that I will get, so I have to pay 50 cents for every click. So you can also go lower than that, but not lower than 20. So I'm going to do lower than that for 50 only, and then if you also want, you can choose the lowest cost. So I'm going to click the next button here and go for the other steps. So in this step here, you have to choose the existing post. You have to use the existing posts, and then you can rename your ad name here. You can rename your ad here if you want, and then you have to add your TikTok posts that you have selected it before. So this is the video that I want to use. So if you have added the video which has no text, it will show you error here, but you see this video here, they have text added before and there is no error. So I'm going to show you, so I'm showing you this as an example, and after I have to click on the confirm button here. So this is the error they are showing me now because I have not added the text. So I recommend you to add the text before doing any other thing. So here for the call to action, I'm going to choose the shop now, and then here you can also choose any URL that you want. For example, like you can choose the URL of your TikTok profile or URL or your URL of your website, any that you want to make traffic on. So for me, I'm going to choose the URL of the TikTok, and then I think everything is set up here. If you want, you can use Pixel to track your data, and then after everything, you have to click on the submit now, and then the advertisement will be in review for a few hours or less than 1 hour, so that it can be published to reach more people and get your result that you want to get. So if you have any question, let me know that in the comment below. Alright, so I hope this video was very helpful, and if you enjoyed the video, please like the video and remember to subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. So let's meet in the next video, guys.